Mayhem Goddess Crew. In today's video, I will be going over the new Sugarpill Capsule Collection, which retails for $42 on the website. So you already know what you gotta do. You wanna know how I cheat this look? With this palette and what I used, then go ahead and subscribe and keep on watching. Sugarpill released their new capsule collection. Now, I can't per se say what day that was, but it was sometime last week and I ordered it, or maybe it was the week before. Anyway, I got it so I can do a review for you, okay? Now, so far as with the size of the palette, it's more of your traditional phone these days, because some of them come that big. My phone is almost about as big as this. So there you go. This is my phone. This is the palette. So they almost come as big as a regular phone. So it's really easy to hold and it's not too hard to open as well. I do feel like these colors in here are more pastel, unlike the other palette that I did. And their shimmers are really, really soft to the touch. Their shimmers will fall out on you. So if you're packing on the color, it will fall out on the face. Just get you a good eyeshadow shield. Put it underneath there, girl, you're fine, okay? Go on ahead and start with the swatches. Now, so far with the swatches, I have decided to go from top all the way down to the bottom, kind of basically following the line that you see right here on the back of the package. So for our swatches, we have Slow Dive, Cloud9, Dream State, Melody, Undone, Ember, Baby Doll, Supernova, Radiate, and Glory. In today's video, I have used damn near every single color in this palette. So let's get the tutorial popping. This eye is done. This was not. It's prime. Let's do it together, okay? So the first color we're going to go into is this really gorgeous purple color called Undone. And on a fluffy brush, we're going to take that color in the brush and we're going to pack it on up here. And if you have hooded eyes, make sure you just do it a little bit higher than where you're going to cut your crease at. But other than that, let's pack it on. And we're not going to swipe it. I'm just going to just dab it on like Bob Ross. Dab, 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 dab. Now that we have taken this purple color all the way out, it's finally nice to see a purple that's actually purple. So let's go into this color called Radiate, which is this green color. And on a fluffy brush, we're going to place that right on the top and blending those two together. Now, if you end up losing some of the purple down here, just go ahead and apply a little bit more. Using that eye makeup remover or Vaseline or whatever you do to clean up your crease, go ahead and get a cotton swab. Let's go on ahead and clean it up so we don't have any type of bleeding into these shimmer pastel colors. Now taking your makeup base, which I am using P. Louise and, hold on girl, let me find it, and 2. So it's this really light color. You can use any kind of makeup base that you want to. It doesn't have to be P. Louise. I told you my jam was a Makeup Revolution, and then before I discovered that one, it was the Bella Pierre. So you use whatever makeup base that you want to, just as long as it's not black, okay? Or else your color's not gonna come out. But although the black base could be pretty cool with these little pastel colors, and see what color you get. That might be an idea. Well, let's go on ahead and cut our crease. And I've already told you which makeup base I'm using. And let's just make sure we cover up the places where we remove the color. So once you're done with that, we're gonna basically use about damn near every shimmer shade in here. So we're gonna do this in layers. So you're gonna get you a flat brush, and every time you dip your color into the color, don't clean it off. So we're gonna go into Ember, and then we're going to place that right here. Then after Ember, we're going to go into Dream State. Remember, don't clean off your brush. This is going to help you blend the colors together. It's like we're just layering it on top of each other. Real close to that Ember color, let's go ahead and place that right next to it. Then let's going back into Ember. Let's place that one right next to Dream State. Right next to that color, let's go into Cloud 9, and we're gonna, same thing, don't clean off your brush. Place that right next to that one. Then right next to that color, we're going to go into Supernova, and that's going to go all the way at the tail end. Now, once you got something like this, go on ahead and intensify those colors and do the same order again. So go over it again, and then after you're done, clean it up down here at the bottom, and we'll be back with the next step. So now that we have that all nice and cleaned up, we're going to go into this color called Glory, and we're going to apply that at the bottom lash line. Then right under Glory, we're going to apply a color called Baby Doll, and that's this lavender blue. It's a lavender color. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to be using the very last color in here, ish, because I didn't use the blue. Be happy I didn't use the blue. I want to go into this color called Melody. I'm going to use that for a blush today, and you know me, I don't do too much blush, but we're just going to see how that looks. It's a peachy pink color, and I figured since this was so pastel-y, why not add a little bit of color to the cheeks? I forgot what I was gonna say. Hey. So I have damn near used every single color in this palette, and minus the blue. Now, unlike my other review, I do feel like this is a more pastel palette. The other one, which is it's linked up here if you want to see it, I feel like they really tried with that one, but it came out less pigmented. But Sugarpill does a really good job on a lot of their colors. I never had a problem with Sugarpill. As a matter of fact, one of the first ones that I owned was Goldilocks, which was in the loose powder, and Asylum, which is in a loose powder as well. So I like to see that they actually made a whole palette that was more than 4 colors. You can do a lot of fun stuff with this if you like to. As you can see, I used one of the colors for a blush. So you don't have to just use this just on your eyes. You can use it on your face as well. A matter of fact, I think Supernova would be really, really pretty as a highlighter if you wanted to kick it up as a notch. So I think this is the perfect palette to have for Easter, of course, which is coming up very soon. If you want to go very pastel, this one would be for you. This retails for $39, $32. Let me check. Retails for $42, so you know this is an American company, comes from California. Let me know if you have picked up yours and what fun creative ways have you used this palette. I would really like to know. My Instagram is down below, as well as the link to this palette is down below. And I'm going to try something a little new. So if you are still here, go ahead and click on this video, which is one of my latest uploads, and click on this video right here, which is the video that's best matched for you.